Okay, so I'm going to install the power supply. So what we're doing here, in addition to, well, I'm gonna get the unit, but the power supply I have is fully modular one, which means the wire is not attached into the power supply unit. So you only use the wire that you need. So basically, I would need the power wire, which is needed there. I also need the one. I need the SATA wire for the hard drive, and I do need a CPU connection wire right here, and that's about it. But what I'm going to do, I'll see if it's easier to install. Otherwise, I will install one of the Molex connection, and I'm not going to use it, but I'm going to leave it tied there. I'm going to use an extra SATA wire, and also use the PSI wire for video card. The video card I have, I don't need to use power for that, but in case if I have to change any video card in future which may require the power, then I would need this. So I'll see if it's easier to install these wire after I put the power supply, then I wouldn't put these on. Otherwise, I'll put them on and I'll leave it on the side. Okay, so I got the power supply now, and I'm going to put this in. It's a power supply that I will put it in and right here, and through here before I install it. Let me see if I can put these on, put these wires on. Alright. Okay. Alright. So first of all is the power, which is gonna go right here. Okay, and this is gonna go right here. Okay, it's 24-pin power. Okay, peripheral for SATA can go right here, or maybe I could put it there. Be easier. Okay. Yeah, I want to leave these open. Peripheral is on this side, so when I'll install it, it will be very hard to reach into the other area. So maybe, let's see, maybe I won't need it. I'll see. Okay, this is CPU wire. Yes. Okay, 236. All right, so I'll use this one. I'll leave this one because it will be easier to install PCLE. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. So let's see if I need the SATA and the other wires. So let's put this baby in. See, I knew this was gonna be a little bit of a problem. Let's see. That is a kind of a problem. So let me try to figure this out. Alright, with some effort, I was able to put all the wires and I tucked them in and I tied them here so that I'll be able to close the panel. I hope I'll be able to close the panel. And also I connected the wire inside here. Okay, I connected the motherboard, this one right here, the power button, and this one over here. I don't know whether you see it or not, but this one over here, I connected the CPU power. It needs a 12-volt power, and all other things are now connected. Next thing to do is install the hard drive, the HDD, in the hard drive section, and I think that'll do it. The only thing I have to wait now is for my DVD burner to come in, which I'll install here. I don't think I need a DVD burner just to check everything else. So DVD burner would be needed, probably would be needed for installation of Windows and other software. But I think the installation file, I have it on a flash drive. So, well, we'll see. So that's it for now, and next video will be to install the hard drive.